Introduce highlight features or overview summary for RENRUI waist twisting machine fitness tool. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Smart Digital Counter. Exclusive smart system auto tracks reps and records workout time in real time, letting you master your training progress precisely. Say goodbye to manual counting, this waist twister machine keeps you on top of every workout. Extreme stability and anti-slip safety. 300 pounds capacity plus extra wide textured pedals ensure rock-solid stability, ideal for waist twister for belly fat and ab trainer. Even heavier users stay rock-solid, making it a reliable choice for safe, stable core training. Targeted waist and belly sculpting. RENRUI targets waist slimming and ab tightening, effectively working out your waist, abdomen, butt, and back. Switch between twisting, plates, and balance modes in 5 seconds, covers all needs of a waist twisting fitness tool. Ergonomic size and durable material. Featuring a golden ratio size, 20.47 x 12.99 x 4.52 inches, the roomy stepping zone lets feet move freely. Made with premium PP and 45 steel, this ergonomic ab trainer is impact resistant, wear-proof, and outlasts competitors' waist twisting machine. Versatile for home gym. From waist twister to ab twister board, it combines waist twisting, ab training, and foot massage, outperforms single-function abdominal exercise equipment. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.